Introducing the Power Tower, the powered scaffold tower. With a working height of 5.1 meters and now with an even larger platform area, the Power Tower provides the user with more room for tools and equipment and requires less moves to cover the same area, yet maintains a small enough footprint to fit through standard doorways. The heavy-duty Power Tower really is the cost-effective, safe and efficient alternative to large podiums or small scaffold towers. The focus is on simplicity. The Power Tower is light enough to easily push into position on site, and straightforward controls mean the operator can focus on the task at hand. Power Towers are used on numerous applications, in particular dry lining, pipework and ducting installation, and other tasks demanding a larger platform area. Designed and manufactured in the UK since 2007, the Power Tower. Simply push into position, step in through the easy entry gate, press a button and get on with the job.